Okay, we're still talking about normal distributions for Algebra 2, and we've looked at finding an area below a value and between two values. What if they asked me to find the test score that represents the 30th percentile? By definition, a percentile is a value at a percentile would be a value below. So if they want the 30th percentile, that would fall somewhere between these values, and that's what they want me to find. What value would represent the 30th percentile? And this is the definition of percentiles, an area shaded below. So this would represent 30%, or 0.3. Now, we could use the table to find this, but instead we're going to use the calculator function. So we're going to go back to second vars, and we're doing the inverse of the normal CDF function, so they've named it inverse norm. And the area that we need to put in would be the area to the left, so that's going to be 0.3. And then our mean was 100, and our standard deviation was 15. And I got 92. So a test score of 92 would represent the 30th percentile. Now, what if they wanted what test score would represent the top 10%? Well, the top 10% we would just say is shaded somewhere from here and above, and that would be my top 10%, so 0.10. The calculator, when you use your inverse norm function, wants this value. You have to enter the area to the left just for your calculator purposes. So 1 minus 0.1 is going to give me 0.9, and that's what I'm going to need to enter into the calculator to find this particular value that's representing the top 10%, because this top 10% is also the 90th percentile. So let's go back to the calculator, and let's say second vars inverse norm, and right here, instead of putting in 0.1, I have to put in 0.9, area to the left, 100, 15, and enter, and I get 119 for the answer.